Every time you show up, every story you tell yourself about the drama, happiness in the beauty of your life is an act of creation. You're constantly shaping, reinventing, helping yourself to reborn again, much younger, thus mentally stronger. Beauty is often found through looking into loved one's eyes, simple things around, in the blooming of a flower, or in a painting of an old monument. Sometimes we get bogged down in schedules, obligations, and we lose our sense of wonder about the simple joys of life. And because we can't bear this internally, it appears externally, affecting the small details which add value to our beauty. So it is up to you to see the beauty of daily life in you. Beltade, excellent lifting effect and tissue integration. No bruising and no need for massage. Natural and smooth skin feeling. No lumps and bumps. Stretchable under facial dynamics. Smooth, easy, and comfortable administration. Predictable and immediate results. No swelling. Be enchanted, looking towards alluring, delegated elegance. Beltade.